Alrighty guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm out here on my DR650 and my buddy Mike, yes he has the same name, he's on my XT250 today. And we are exploring some trails up in the Canadian backcountry that should lead us to this abandoned cabin. I've heard of this spot, I know where it is, but this will be Mike's first time seeing it, so pretty cool little place, and I've wanted to bring you guys along for a bit here, so enjoy the nice little ride. I'm not going to be going too fast today because my windscreen on the DR here just shoots a bunch of wind noise up at the camera, so we're just going to take it easy. There's some nice double track trails. Maybe we'll hit some single track later on, but the purpose of today is we're gonna go find that ghost cabin. All right. See how he does. Like nothing. Perfect. So my Speedo just recently died on the DR650 here. I'm assuming that the cable just let go, it snapped. I checked it in the end on the wheel hub and it looks fine. And it looks fine up at the Speedo end, so I'm pretty sure it just snapped. Which is what it is. I mean, this thing's like, it looks like it's from a 1950s submarine or something, so. I think the Speedo cables are pretty damn cheap, so I have to get another one of those. Either way though, like, you don't realize until your Speedo's broken how often you actually look down at it. Like the muscle memory, it's crazy. Alright, I'm pretty sure we're on the right trail. And the DR650 is the perfect bike for this kind of riding. A little bit of highway, a little bit of trails, a little bit of everything. It really is a Swiss Army knife of bikes. Do we go down or do we go up? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure we go down. It's pretty rocky in here. Some of these shark fin rocks are so sharp. I am so glad I brought a tube with me today. Holy. Should be getting pretty close here. This little descent and okay, man, it sure is loose in here. These tusk waypoints on the DR here are shaping up pretty well on this generally rocky terrain that we have here in British Columbia. I'm liking them so far. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one quite like this.
That's for sure. Especially in a spot like this.
That alpine roof there is wicked. Apparently it's for sale.
How much?
Well, it says for sale by. And then it also says for sale. And that's about all I know. All right. Well, there's some stuff up there. I'm assuming they had a ladder.
Probably.
Yeah.
I think it was just shingle storage or something.
I don't know. Let's see if I can get a shot of the other side here. Pretty thick. It's also tick season, so I don't really want to go too far into these bushes.
Oh yeah. Probably put on that bug spray.
Oh. A bit of writing. April 8th, something. Looks good, Dad. I think that's what that says. How's it looking there?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
How's it smell?
Not so good.
The last cabin that I went to with Lakeman ADV was a toxic biohazard.
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, that looks sweet. Let's go check it out. This is sketch.
It's not for sale. I should just buy it.
Yeah. Unfortunately, there's no numbers, no trace of this cabin anywhere on the internet. None of the locals know anything about it.
Not even the local.
Holy crap. Look what you're standing on, dude.
I know. It's pretty sturdy.
Old 2x6s with half a support beam. Jeez. How's the floor feel? That's a pretty sick stove.
Wow. Double lock. These guys are living pretty.
Wow. Skylights and everything?
It really makes you wonder why they would have abandoned this.
Man, it's bougie.
Seriously, whoa, look at this.
Hold on, I'm gonna... How's the floor feel up there? Is it a...
Oh, nothing.
Okay,
Easy.
sweet. Oh yeah.
You don't see birch like that.
Wow.
Someone's trying to be bougie.
Hey man, that's pretty bougie to me.
Absolutely.
How's it feel?
Dirty.
Yeah. Pop a sleeping bag down. Good to spend the night with the local pack rat infestation. I'm gonna attempt to get up there.
Don't touch your head on the ceiling here.
Oh, that's a little sketchy.
Background.
It's crazy. I don't really like being up here. Oh God.
I'd live in it right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Sturdy enough.
At least a little bit of a hand railing would be nice on these stairs.
What do you mean, man? They were tough enough to live out here. They didn't really need a hand.
True.
You're gonna fall. That's how it was.
If you're living in a cabin like this, you are not a wussy.
Not at all.
I saw some chandeliers downstairs.
Yeah.
They must have ran a gas generator or something.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Like,
Like,
this would have been a lot of work to make.
it's a really nice build.
Look at the size of these logs, too.
Dude, you got not one, but two chandeliers. That's premium.
Like, look at that. I'll find a lot of those left around the room.
Yeah.
Or it's already logged out. It's kind of a mix of old and new. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know.
80s, 90s?
Take a look at our premium kitchen range here.
You know what these things are worth?
Never know if someone still does own it. I mean, this should just be crown land at this point, but still, who knows? It's nice to leave everything preserved like a time capsule. There's still a propane tank on this lantern here. I wonder if it's no mantle. I wonder. Oh god, that valve is, it's gone. Yeah. Keep 10.
Tank.
Tank. They
That
just
makes
didn't have
sense.
room, they didn't have room to finish the K there. It's
Yeah.
just gonna cut off.
It's your water heater.
Wonder when the last time someone was in here. We've got fairly modern like dish soap bottles and plastic cups. So a little bit of piss beer someone was drinking.
That's got to be 90s to early 2000s at least.
I don't know, that can doesn't look that old. Yeah, people have definitely been here. Probably partied here. Damn. I just can't get over the skylights. So sick. You can also see up there, there's a like a radio antenna, little tower. So they had communication with the outside world.
Nice.
It's pretty sweet,
I
man.
didn't see where that came in.
Oh! Oh! Ooh! There's water where there's supposed to be fire. Oh! Oh! Mint. What? Dude!
Haven't seen one of these since I was a kid.
They were jamming to some tunes, man. Is there any vinyl left?
I always have like secret opening.
I know. I don't think it's been
No.
open for millennia, so. Well, those are the speaker covers, so.
Yeah.
Either way. That is so sick.
Guess this is where that antenna comes in.
Yeah. Jam into the local AM radio station back in 1970, who knows what. Got some lawn chairs. We've got this custom wood chair here. And then we've got some like ancient like school concert hall style chairs. Wild, man. Jeez, dude, you stepped on those unsupported boards with a surprisingly shocking level of confidence.
Stepped on worse. You know anyone in here?
Let's see. Binky plus Kyle.
Mike from
Karen, Keith,
Kenmore.
Katie, Amber, Kaiser. I want to get closer, but these boards are.
Oh, they're fine.
Oh, they just
You can do
don't.
it.
They don't feel very good. I think I might take my phone out and get some slower cinematic shots.
Super cool little cabin. Really happy we stopped and checked this out. It's remarkably well preserved for most of its windows being shot out, but yeah, wow. Thanks for exploring it with us. Let's, make sure to shut it for the next explorer that comes across this little gem. It's not too sketchy. Been on worse. What a sweet little spot. So cool. All right, dude. Ready to hit the road?
Absolutely.
Hell yeah.
Bye, little cabin. Oh. Even with the stock exhaust, man, I love the sound of the DR650. Just an absolute monster of a bike. Well, that was a sweet little adventure. Let me know what you guys thought about that cabin down in the comments below, and let me know if you want to see any other abandoned places. There is so much out here as far as cabins, abandoned machinery, old mining sites. And I definitely like to take you guys on some more adventures like this one. So hit like, subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Peace.